Hey guys, RunwithCraftscissors here with an unboxing of a Pinch Me box. They sent this to just have me try their products out as like an influencer person. So the box is really cute. So you can go to pinchme.com and you can sign up to like do surveys to try to earn boxes and things like that. Even the bottom is really cute. I know I just like dumped everything, but I don't really care. So let's go ahead and open up and see what I got. What they sent me. What did they send me? So I'm about to knock some stuff off my desk because your girl's messy. Okay, so it says how Pinch Me works. You need to go to pinchme.com and sign up. Once a month, we'll mail you, we'll email you when free samples are available for you to claim. Provide your honest feedback on the samples to claim more. How Quiz Me works. So click on Quiz Me, which is QWIZME tab, and complete your surveys daily and be guaranteed weekly exclusive sample boxes. How Treat Me works. So if you click on Treat Me tab, receive daily emails with special offers and savings Pinch Me has sourced for you. And then it has like their social media. So they're on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So pinchme.com. Then it says, welcome, we're so thrilled for you to join our exclusive Pinch Me Influencer Club. As a founding member, you'll be one of the first to get access to exclusive free products, promotions, and events, and much more. Yay! We hope you enjoy this box of amazing products and share it with your followers. That's you guys. Don't forget to use hashtag HappyPincher and tag @PinchMe when you post. In return, we'll make efforts to help your social channels grow. Each month, Pinch Me will share and repost our favorite content across our 2 million followers. We look forward to working together. With love, the Pinch Me team, XOXO. That's so cute. Look, she's got like coffee and like socks. That's awesome. Okay, so first up, I am going to try things maybe like as we go. I don't know. I thought that'd be kind of fun. So this one is a protein bar. It's very noisy. It's gluten-free. It says on the bottom. And it says chewy chocolate chip. There's 31 grams of protein, 5 sugars, 310 calories. So it depends on the, like, I guess what you're eating. Total carbs is 28 for the whole bar. But I'm wondering if this is supposed to like replace a meal. It also says adults, for best results, drink 8 fluid ounces of water or other liquid with this bar. It says product of Canada. Way to go, Canada. Okay, let's try it. I'm gonna take a bite. Let's try it out. I'm gonna like try not to ruin the wrapper so I can like take a picture of the wrapper with the box. I don't know, probably not. Okay, so it looks like giant chocolate bar. I'm gonna take a bite. You can't watch me do this because it's weird. Mmm. Very chewy. I think there's caramel. I taste a little peanut butter. Mmm. It just says chewy chocolate chip. I really like it. Mmm. It does say it contains sugar alcohols, which can cause gastrointestinal discomfort. Oh, if you eat too many of these, it has a laxative effect. Alright then. Has cocoa butter in it? Alright, peanut flour. I did taste the peanut. Yeah, there's sucralose. Anyway, so if you want to try something new and tasty, pure protein bar. I need a drink of water. Hold on. It did say to consume liquids. Alright. Next up. What's that? Alright. Dr. Dennis Gross. Oh. Alpha Beta. Extra strength daily peel. What am I peeling? A patented 2-step peel with 7 acids to help smooth fine lines. Ooh, that's good. Minimize the look of pores, even better. Improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture. Do I have that? I don't even know. No one's told me. Achieve 3 clinical results at home. It's 3 treatments in a box. That's in another language. There, for anyone watching in another country. Anyway, this is in 2 minutes. I'm probably not going to do this while I'm doing that. Oh gosh. Okay. Exfoliate and smooth anti-aging neutralizer. I'm guessing there's directions on the back of it. Yeah. For optimal use, use AM or PM. First-time peel users may apply every other day until skin becomes acclimated. Massage step 1 into clean, dry skin until pad is dry. Wait 2 minutes. Repeat with step 2 to further enhance results. Follow with a serum and moisturizer of your choice from Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare. Well, I don't have that. Careful in the sun after use. Okay, so you use step 1 until it's dry, and then you follow by step 2. That's pretty easy. I could try that. Fun stuff from my bathroom. I really want to open it and see how it smells, but I'll let you know. Okay, what do you want next? This one? Okay, I can't eat this. Not on the channel anyway. It's 1850, the Folger Coffee Co. Trailblazer, which they have sent me samples of before that I've like left surveys about. My husband really likes this one. It's a fire roasted medium dark roast coffee. I will drink some of this definitely. We use the French press, so makes it nice and strong. But I can't even smell it. Good package, but I remember it smelling really good. It says embrace the bold. Yeah. 1850 coffee at 1850coffee.com. Yeah, so there you go. So that one's a dark roast. Next, I see a lot of these. Ricola honey. This one's herbal immunity. So, is it just a cough drop or is it like, what's herbal immunity? That's interesting. So you can just eat it and like it boosts your immune system maybe? I don't know. I've had Ricola like cough drops. They gave me 1, 2, 3, 4. There may be more that I've lost in there somewhere, but that's awesome. Those taste really good. I really like them. Okay, what is this? Moroccan oil. Moroccan oil treatment for all hair types. Okay, it says to use, apply a small amount throughout damp or dry hair. Style as usual. Alright, so it's just supposed to smooth my hair. That's awesome. Let's smell it. It smells really sweet. Yeah, kind of sweet musk. That's what I smell. So that's fun. Rub that into my hair. Alright, let's grab this one. I guess I have water. I could tell you how it swallows, but I'm not going to eat it. So it says, Sundown Naturals Multi Plus Daily Immune Support with Ester C, the better vitamin C, provides 8 essential vitamins and zinc. There are 60 soft gels. It's a dietary supplement. No dairy, no artificial flavors, and no GMOs. And it's gluten-free certified. That's awesome. So there's 20 calories in 2 pills. So you're supposed to take 2? I don't know. What does that say? Directions for adults. Take 2 soft gels daily, preferably with a meal. As a reminder, discuss supplements and medications with your doctor. Oh, it says healthcare provider. That's interesting. They don't say doctor. It says healthcare provider. Smart facts. It's naturally sourced colors, no preservatives. Proprietary herbal blend of echinacea, elderberry, and astragalus, I guess. I don't know. It says made in the US. That's cool. Alright, it's got 2 little carbs in there. That's not too bad. Let's open this up. Oh, it has like a flip lid. So it has a little pop top for like easy opening. That's nice. Oh, it's sealed still. I saw the thing in there. Let me open that. I'm not very good at remembering to take vitamins. They smell like herbs. Let's see what they look like. They're pretty much like a dark black or a dark purple. Something like that. They're pretty smooth. They're a little, yeah. They're not super squishy, but they are soft. There you go. That's my demonstration about that. I'm not going to swallow any right now because it said it take with a meal and I ate like 3 hours ago. Okay. Next up, we have this foot. It says Compid, I guess. Compede? I'm not sure. Protects and cushions blisters, stays in place, provides optimum cushioning from rubbing and pressure, which is good because my girly little dress shoes cause problems. What's this? Okay. Your packaging is too complicated for my life. All right, I'm gonna rip this off. See if that'll help me figure it out. Nope. Which direction? That one? I feel like I'm gonna break it. I need help. Oh, there's arrows. I just saw that. Okay. So you push down and pull up. Note to self. Oh, there's some stuck to that. Whoops. Whoops. Okay, so that's the little pads that you peel and stick. So this side is the sticky side. So it's not gonna like stand out too much, I feel like. Got like kind of a skin tone color on it. So that's nice and handy. I like the little portable case. So when you buy more, you can just refill your case and slip it in your purse. That's great. That's awesome. Okay, loving that. What company is it? It's Compede. Compede. Fits like a second skin. Okay. Next up, we have something else in a bottle. It says Eva NYC. So it says Main Magic 10-in-1 primer with argan oil and sunflower seed oil. And what is it supposed to do? That's another language. Ingredients. Infused with stuff. I'm guessing I sprayed it in my hair because it says Main Magic. I feel like I've... Oh, this smells really good. I feel like I've had this before in like an Ipsy bag or something. So that's cool. Because you have to pay for Ipsy. Alright, this one. We have tried some of the RX. That's what I'm going to call it. RX butters before. There was another one. This one says nut butter. And it says almond butter. I think we tried a peanut butter one maybe last time. But my husband really liked it. And I liked it too. And then we tried an RX bar. And those were a little hard to eat. But I do like these little protein spreads. If you want like lunch on the go. Or if you want to just carry some like little crackers. Or make yourself a peanut butter sandwich. So it's made with almonds, egg whites, dates, coconut oil, sea salt. Contains egg and almond. Okay, and it says store in a cool, dry place. Keep out of direct sunlight. That's interesting, yeah. It says knead, open, and squeeze. So you have to like move it around a little bit. My husband's been dying to eat this one. So he's probably going to have a snack after. Because I need to open it and taste it so I can tell you guys. Because, I mean, I've had almond flour, but I don't think I've ever eaten almond butter. Maybe I have. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to tear a little bit open. I guess squeeze a little bit out of my fingers so you guys can see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I just made a huge mess. Okay, so I need to knead it a little bit more. That's good though. It's very sweet. Hey, hon. Can you come take this? I made a little mess. You can have it. It's good though. Okay, so now he has that. I know I got some on the little shampoo. I'll wash it off. They sent me deodorant. Native deodorant. It says made with love in San Francisco, California. It's coconut and vanilla. Oh, that smells really good. Definitely very coconutty. And I have been into using coconut oil. When I had my cold, I used coconut oil on my nose to keep it from peeling, and it was so good without being like too greasy or scented. So yeah, I'll definitely try this out. It smells good. All right, so that's handy, purse size. Okay, so the thing that I spilled some stuff on. Yeah, oops, hold on. Because I am klutzy. Just kind of came out of there. I don't know. Okay, I got most of it off. So this is Fructis Garnier, I think. Fructis Smoothing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask. I've used this one before actually, and I really like it. It has avocado extract in it. I leave it in for quite a while. That's all I remember. I leave it in for a long time. Like I put it in and then I like wash my whole body and then I like you know, then I rinse it out. So there's a little bit more explanation on the back and like the ingredients list. So it says 1 minute, but I leave it in longer because I want to. So that's up to you. It smells really good. It does not smell like avocados. There's one more. Ooh, I got a clay mask. Detox and brighten. 3 pure clays and charcoal. Results in just 10 minutes. From L'Oreal Paris. Single-use mask. Yeah, I figured. That's kind of cute. It's like a little pouch. Yes, I'm going to squish it. Okay. Why is this mask right for me? Over time, harsh environment factors such as pollution and debris damage skin, leaving complexion dull and tired. Detox and brighten pure clay mask addresses your skin concerns for a purified, even, and radiant complexion. How to use. Apply an even layer to clean, dry skin, avoiding eye and lip area. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, then remove with water. So results, immediately your skin should look brighter and glow. Dirt and dust and pollution are perfectly removed from the skin, and your skin looks smooth and even. After use, skin is clean as if detoxified, and skin feels as though it can breathe better. Skin is healthy looking and more beautiful. Suitable for all skin types, glides on and rinses off easily, does not dry out skin. So that's good. Wow, they've got all these other like clay products too. When a cleanser just isn't enough. That's fun. So then it says pull here, but I don't want to pull here and like expose it and turn it open. I don't want to open it yet. No, just the pouch is in there. It's fine. But there you go. That's a little like clay pouch, and I'm sure it's like that dark clay color. So there you go. So that's it. Yep, that's it. So that was my Pinch Me box. I'll let you know how some of the other products go as far as like the multivitamin and the hair oils, and probably eat some more of that protein bar. That was tasty. All right, and I want to know if this is supposed to help my immune system or if it's just a cough drop. Maybe we'll open one. Let's open one first. I mean, I've had the honey flavor before, but I don't remember it saying herbal immunity. No, they are different. They're not like my cough drops. They look a little different. They smell the same, and I bet they taste the same. These are to boost your immune system. So that's cool. All right, thank you. All right, I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys like this funny unboxing of the stuff that they sent me. All right, bye guys, and thank you, Pinch Me.